start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to new session 2021 and 2022. This is your class 4 and I am your drawing teacher from IYS. We are going to start scientific diagram, but I will give some instruction about online classes. Number 1, check your audio settings, use headphones for clear voice. Keep a notebook and pencil with you and note down any difficult words or terms you find during the class. Do your homework according to teacher's instruction. For copy work, listen your teacher's instruction carefully. Don't interrupt during the online class. Your okay. Today objective, students will be able to draw the elbow joint. Number 2, draw epithelial tissue. Number 3, draw the type of teeth. Dear students, you will complete copy presentation. I will give presentation of your copy. Copy and exercise book must be covered with plastic transparent sheet, outer face sheet and inner face sheet completed. You will complete outer face sheet of your first term copy. Name. You have to write name, class and section, roll number, subject and school name. After that, you will complete inner page sheet, name, father's name, class, section, roll number, subject, subject teacher name and class teacher name. Okay, like this. You will complete title page of first term 2021 and 2022 like this. Dear students, rule for scientific diagram. Number 1, use a sharp pencil with single firm line. Make a square box around the diagram. Use a ruler to take measurement. And diagram should be neat, clear and symmetrical. Don't put arrow edge for labeling. And labeling line started from the center of the object. Use sentence writing. Do you know what is sentence writing? Sentence writing, the first letter of labeling is capital and other letter are small. That is called sentence writing style. Okay. Sentence writing, the first letter of labeling is capital and other letter are small. That is called sentence writing style. Okay. Label the diagram on right side. Today my topic is the elbow joint. Elbow joint, the skeletal system consists of bone and joint. Okay, the elbow joint is a complex hind joint formed between the distal end of the humerus in the upper arm and the premaxillary ends of the ulna and radius in the forearm. The elbow allows for the flexion and extension of the forearm relative to the upper arm as well as rotation of the forearm and wrist. Okay. Dear students, a joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament, and skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. Some joints moves your bones in one direction only. Some joints move your bones in one direction only, like the joint in knee and elbow. Okay. You cannot move them in the opposite direction. Such joints are called hind joint. Okay. Dear students, we draw a elbow joint. First, we draw the upper arm bone like this, and we draw the lower arm bones. First, we draw the radius and other we draw ulna. Ulna. Okay. Then we draw a shape of arm like this. We use blue color. Don't use color pencil, but I'm using color pencil because differentiate between ligament and muscles. Okay, students. We draw a shape of arm, blue color, and we draw a ligament with red color like this. Okay, this is a ligament. Ligament, a joint, is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. Okay, and green color show the tendons. Skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. By tendons. Okay. Don't use color pencil, but I'm using color pencil because differentiate between ligament and tendons and muscles. Okay. This is a elbow joint. The second topic is first. Okay, I will repeat a structure of elbow joint. First, we draw a upper arm bone, and second step we draw the lower arm bone. First we draw radius and other we draw ulna like this. And don't use color pencil, but I'm using color pencil because differentiate between ligament, muscles and tendons. Okay, students. And we draw a shape of arm with blue color like this. After that we draw a ligament with red color, and we draw tendons with green color. Okay. A joint is a place in a body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament, and skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. Okay. This is the elbow joint. डियर स्टूडेंट, आप इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें ताकि आप जब ड्रॉ करें तो आपको इसे ड्रॉ करने में आसानी हो. ओके. Today my second topic is epithelial tissue. Okay. Do you know what is epithelial tissue? Okay. I will tell you. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue line the outer surface of organs and blood vessels throughout of the body, as well as the inner surfaces of cavities in many internal organs. Epithelial tissue is also called vascular tissue. Okay. Where in your body epithelial tissue is present? Number 1 is skin. Number 2, inside of respiratory and digestive system. Okay, students. The human body is made up of cells. Cells are the small building units of living things. Okay. Cells group together to form a tissue. Cells group together to form a tissue. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Okay. Today my topic is epithelial tissue. Inner layer of organs made up of epithelial tissue. Okay. Inner layer of organs made up of epithelial tissue. Epidermis, outermost layer of skins, lining of digestive tract organs. Okay. The function of epithelial tissue is cover some part of the body. The function of epithelial tissue is cover some parts of body. Okay. The shape of epithelial cell like this. First, we draw elongated oval shape. First, we draw elongated oval shape. Give the pointed shape of the cell upper and lower side of oval like this, and then we draw a nucleus in the center of the cell. I will repeat. First, we draw elongated oval shape. Give the pointed shape of the cell upper and lower side of oval like this. Then we draw a nucleus in the center of the cell. Okay. This is a epithelial cell. Epithelial cell. Okay. Cells group together to form tissue. Cells group together to form tissue. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Okay. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. The bundles of same cells make the tissue. Epithelial tissue. Epidermis, outermost layer of skin, lining of digestive tract organs. Okay. The bundles of same cells make the tissue. Dear students, आप ये एपिथेलियल सेल की पिक्चर जो है ले लें ताकि जब आप इसे ड्रॉ करें तो आपको आसानी है. ओके. Today my third topic is type of teeth. Okay students, how many teeth do you have? Do you know? Okay. Teeth. Display picture that show people smiling, eating and talking. Could you smile without mouth? What do your teeth do for your smile? Teeth make our smile attractive, make us look happy. Okay. Smile or enhance your personality. Make children have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. These are called the milk teeth or baby teeth, and there are 20 of them. Slowly, the permanent teeth grow in and take the place of the milk teeth when they fall out. Okay? Dear students, आप जिस एज में हैं इसमें आपके जो है बेबी टीथ जो है वो अभी टूट रहे होंगे और उसकी जगह आपके परमानेंट टीथ जो हैं वो विजिबल हो रहे होंगे. सबने आपने फील किया होगा ये कि किस तरह से आपके दांत टूटते हैं और फिर नए निकलते हैं. तो जो आपका मिल्क टीथ है जो 3 इयर्स ओल्ड तक के आपके निकल आते हैं वो 20 होते हैं और उसके बाद वो टूटने के बाद 32 परमानेंट टीथ जो हैं वो ग्रो करते हैं. ओके. Type of teeth. Two types: canine, incisor, molar and premolar. Okay. This is a canine, pointed shape, and incisor, flat shape, and premolar and molar is a bigger and flatter. Okay. 4 type of teeth in your mouth. Type of human teeth: incisor, pointed shape and square shape, and canine, pointed shape, premolar and molar bigger and flatter. Okay. There are 32 teeth which are called permanent teeth. The teeth at the front of the mouth, the teeth at the front of the mouth are used for cutting and biting food. These 8 teeth are called incisors. Okay. The pointed teeth beside your incisors are called canine. There are 4 canine, 2 in each jaw. Okay. The bigger and flatter teeth at the back of the mouth are called molar and premolar. Okay. अब इसे मैं थोड़ा आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ कि जो फ्रंट की टीथ हैं आपके 4, इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, इंसाइजर, 4 अपर साइड एंड 4 लोअर साइड. और बिसाइड्स इंसाइजर, the teeth is canine, very pointed, and we use for cutting and biting. Okay. The premolar and molar teeth, the bigger and flatter teeth at the back of the mouth are called molar and premolar. Okay, student. Dear students, we draw type of teeth. First, we draw an oval shape and give the shape of lips upper and lower end of oval like this. Give the shape of lips upper and lower end of oval. Within the oval we draw incisor, show in the picture like this. ये just square shape है और इस तरह आपको इसे draw करना है. Okay. Then draw a canine in each side of incisors. Okay, each side of incisor. After that we draw premolar. After that we draw a premolar, one pair on each side. One pair on each side. यानी कि कैनाइन के बराबर में आप पेयर ड्रॉ करेंगे, अपर साइड पे भी और लोअर साइड पे भी. इस टीथ को हम क्या कहते हैं, प्री मोलर. ओके. द ड्रॉ मोलर like this, draw a molar like this, 3 molar in each side, 3 upper side and 3 lower side, and then 3 upper side and 3 lower side. Molar teeth. Okay, this is a type of teeth. Okay students, I will repeat the type of teeth. There are 32 teeth which are called permanent teeth. The teeth at the front of the mouth are used for cutting and biting food. These 8 teeth are called incisor. Okay. The pointed teeth beside your incisor are called canine. And there are 4 canine. There are 4 canine, 2 in each jaw. Okay. The bigger and flatter teeth at the back of the mouth are called molar and premolar. Don't write the definition of diagram. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपको डायग्राम की डेफिनेशन राइट नहीं करनी है, जस्ट आपको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. और इसे ड्रॉ करने के बाद जिस तरह मैंने आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन में गाइड किया था कि बॉक्स इसके साइड पे बनाना है 6x6 का, कोई भी पिक्चर आप ड्रॉ करें साइंटिफिक डायग्राम. और वी यूज पेंसिल. You can use pencil and pencil shading in scientific diagram. Don't use color pencil. Okay students, you can use pencil and pencil shading in scientific diagram, and don't use color pencil. But we use in color pencil in elbow joint because differentiate between ligament and muscles. Okay, I will repeat elbow joint again. Okay, dear students, I will repeat a elbow joint. We draw the upper arm bone first, and second we draw the lower arm bone. First we draw a radius. This is a radius, and then we draw a ulna like this, and then we draw a shape of arm with blue color, but you don't use color pencil. Okay. After that we draw a ligament and tendons like this, tendons and ligament. दिस इज अ एल्बो जॉइंट। आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें ताकि जब आप इसे ड्रॉ करें तो आपको बहुत आसानी हो। और जिसमें मैंने कलर यूज़ किया है, आपको इसमें कलर यूज़ नहीं करना, बल्कि आप इसे पेंसिल शेडिंग से कवर करेंगे। लिगामेंट को और टेंडेंस को पेंसिल शेड से परमानेंट करेंगे। ओके, और बोन्स जो है वो पेंसिल से ही ड्रॉ करेंगे, कलर पेंसिल आपको यूज़ नहीं करना। मैंने इसलिए यूज़ किया है ताकि आप अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें और इसमें डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकें कि कहाँ पर लिगामेंट है और कहाँ टेंडेंस है, कहाँ पे बोन्स जो है वो कंप्लीट हो रही हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद इसके आउटर आप बॉक्स बनाएंगे 6x6 का, और इसके नीचे साइंटिफिक डायग्राम का नाम लिखेंगे जिस तरह से मैंने बताया, दिस इज अ एल्बो जॉइंट। ओके स्टूडेंट, आई होप आपने अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया होगा। सेकंड, एपिथेलियल टिश्यू। फर्स्ट, we draw a elongated oval shape. After that, give the pointed shape of the cell, upper and lower side of oval. Then we draw a nucleus in the center of the cell like this. This is a epithelial cell. Okay. ये जस्ट एक आपको मैंने सेल की पिक्चर बना के दिखाई है। इसी तरह से जब आप इसे कंबाइन करेंगे तो ये द बंडल ऑफ सेल्स आर कॉल्ड टिश्यूज। तो आपने एपिथेलियल टिश्यू फॉर्म करना है। आप कॉम्बिनेशन इस तरह से बनाएंगे, एपिथेलियल सेल्स को कंबाइन करेंगे और फिर उसे टिश्यू की फॉर्म देंगे इस शेप में। ठीक है, इस तरह की शेप, या आप इस तरह की शेप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, एपिडर्मिस आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ स्किन, लाइनिंग ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट ऑर्गन्स। ओके, लाइक दिस। इस तरह भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं आप और वैसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ओके, द थर्ड टॉपिक इज टाइप ऑफ टीथ। टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ। 32 teeth in your mouth. There are 32 teeth which are called permanent teeth. The teeth at the front of the mouth are used for cutting and biting. And these 8 teeth are called incisor. The pointed teeth beside your incisor. तो first आप जब इसे ड्रॉ करें तो आप इंसाइजर ड्रॉ करें। 4 पहले लिप्स की शेप, जो जिस तरह मैंने आपको बताया कि ओवल शेप ड्रॉ करने के बाद आप इंसाइजर्स ड्रॉ करेंगे फ्लैट शेप में, स्क्वायर शेप में। उसके बाद उनकी बिसाइड्स कैनाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे पॉइंटेड शेप, एंड देन प्रीमोलर एंड मोलर बिगर एंड फ्लैटर शेप। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक दिस। टंग और बकल कैविटी ड्रॉ करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आप जस्ट लिप एंड टीथ ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ओके, कैनाइन टीथ हेल्प टीयर फूड। कैनाइन टीथ हेल्प टीयर फूड। Molar help grind food and premolar help chew food. Incisor help cut and chop food. आप इस तरह से इसे लेबल करेंगे पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करने के बाद, जिस तरह मैंने आपको, आप ये साइड पे देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से राइट साइड पे जो है वो नेमिंग की है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कैनाइन टीथ हेल्प टीयर फूड एंड मोलर हेल्प ग्राइंड फूड, premolars help chew food, and incisor help cut and chop food. Okay, I hope you have got everything of my lesson, और आपने ये तमाम चीज़ें इसको कैप्चर कर लिया होगा ताकि जब आप ड्रॉ करें, इसे कंप्लीट करें तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से लेबल करके और शेडिंग करके कॉपी मेंटेन करें। और मैंने आपको कॉपी मेंटेन करना बताया था, मैं उसे आपको दोबारा रिवाइज करवाती हूँ कि किस तरह आपको कॉपी मेंटेन करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I will give presentation of your copy. Copy exercise book must be covered with transparent plastic sheet, and you will complete outer face sheet. In outer face sheet, you have to write name, class, section, roll number, subject, and school name. Okay. After that, you will complete inner face sheet, name, father name, class, section, roll number, subject, subject teacher, name and class teacher name. Okay, students, and you will complete the title page of first term 2021-2022. After that, you will make a title page of scientific diagram like this: elbow joint and epithelial tissue and type of teeth. Okay, students, आप आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें ताकि आप जब इसे ड्रॉ करो तो आपको किसी किस्म की कोई डिफिकल्टीज ना हो. Okay, epithelial tissue. This is the title page, epithelial tissue. You don't write definition, just you draw a diagram. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें आप इसके भी ताकि जब आप इसे ड्रॉ करो तो आपको आसानी हो. ओके, आई विल गिव सम होम टास्क. First, the elbow joint, page number 6 from your new Oxford Primary Science book, third edition, page number 6. Okay. Number 2, epithelial tissue, page number 3 from new Oxford Primary Science, third edition, level 4. Okay. Type of teeth, page number 21, new Oxford Primary Science, third edition, Nicholas Muscat, level 4. Okay, students. Allah Hafiz and take care.